So we're going to do the exact same thing we did previously, is make the factor trees. Find your prime factorization, 64 and 208. So 64 equals 2 times 32, which equals 2 times 16, which equals 2 times 8, which equals 2 times 4, which equals 2 times 2. Therefore, 64 will equal 2 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 to the 6th. And 208 can be divided into 2 times 104, which is 52 times 2, which is 2 times 26, which is 2 times 13, and 13 is prime, so it cannot be subdivided even further. So 208 will equal 2 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 to the 4 times 13. Now, using the LCM, which equals the highest power in each. So, what's the highest power? Well, we are given a 2 to a 6 and a 2 to a 4. Which one's higher? Clearly 2 to the 6 is higher. And we're given a 13 to a 1 times 13. So which is going to equal 64 times 13, which equals 832. Meanwhile, the GCF equals common powers. So, yes, we have a 2 to a 6 and a 2 to a 4, but what's common between each of them? Which is the 2 to the 4. So therefore, the GCF would equal 2 to the 4, which would equal 16.